Let's make the viral yogurt cake that's been all over TikTok. I'm usually not a baker, but I like this because I don't really have to measure. It's a ratio, so everything gets measured with the pot that you start with. Whole, full-fat yogurt. I'm putting the whole pot into this bowl. Use 1.5 pots full of sugar. Rather than using all sugar, I'm gonna use a combination of sugar and monk fruit. All right, then we're gonna use 3 pots of flour. We're gonna use 2 eggs, a little bit of baking powder, about like 1/2 tablespoon. Again, not really measuring. Some vanilla, 1/2 a pot of vegetable oil. I'm using avocado oil. And a little bit of lemon zest. And then I'm just gonna mix it all together. Actually, a cake that kids can make. I'm doing this in a loaf pan, but you can do it in an 8x8 pan. You can do it in a round cake pan. Really doesn't matter. 350 oven for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna check it at 25 minutes. It smells so good. It smells like cake.